What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Gigachad. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the inside edge of the brow. Now we want to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom on the right side and do the same thing. Now on the left side, let's draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to go up and then bend that out. And then on the right side, we're going to raise this up higher. We're going to go up, round up the top, and just bend that down towards the end. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the end, I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as it comes in and then down. Then on the right, we're going to go up towards the top and then down towards the side. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's move down and draw two curves of the lower eyelid. We're going to start on the left. We're going to go up and then that down towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. We're going up and then down. Now I want to draw two circles tucked in behind the brow and the lower eyelid. Let's start on the outside, then it's around and then in. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Going all the way around and then in. Let's go to the inside corner of the brow, bend this down and then out. Now on the top right, we draw a small circle for a highlight. And then on the left side, just draw the bottom edge coming down and up. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes, step down and add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. From the bottom edge of the nose, let's move down and draw in the mouth. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up higher on the left and then bend that down towards the right. Step down, add a small curve for the lower lip. Now let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start with the cheekbones. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, curve around, and then bend that in. Just line this up on the right. We're around the cheek, and then in. From the inside of the cheek, let's step out, and this in, and then down towards the side. And we'll curve this up and then in towards the bottom of the nose for the edge of the mustache. From these 2 points, we're going to step down and draw on the chin. We come down on the left, round this out, and then pull that up in the middle, come down, and then bend that up towards the right. And then we're going to layer the jaw in behind, starting underneath the cheek, come out, down, and then in towards the side of the chin. Let's go back and add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Now going back to the top of the cheeks, we're just going to bend this around the eyebrow and then in. And then we'll bend this up towards the top of the hairline. Now from here, we're just going to bend this up and then down in the center of the head. Go up from the left and then down in the middle. Go up and then down towards the right. Now we're going to place the ears along the side of the head. Let's start from the top of the cheek. We're going to go up, come around, and then in towards the jaw. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear. We're going up and then down towards the side. Now we're going to add some hair along the top of the head. Let's start from the left side. Just going to bend this out and then up, come down, and then across. Let's layer another point in behind. We're step back, going up towards the top, come down towards the right, come across, and then bend that down. Let's add a couple points along the top of the head, going up and then down. Let's go in the opposite direction, going out. I'm just going to bend this in and then down towards the top right corner of the head. Let's go over towards the left side. I'm just going to bend this out and then up. Come down and then in. And then we'll layer another point in behind. Stepping back, going up, coming down, and then in behind. Now let's close off the side of the head, starting underneath the hair on the left side, then it's out, and then down in behind the brow, go to the top right, going out, and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start with the top edge of the chest, starting underneath the jaw on the left. Let's bend this up, and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. On the left side, let's step down, draw the bottom edge of the chest. We're going to come down, and then bend that up in the middle, come down towards the right, and then bend that up. Now let's separate the chest with a straight line going up underneath the chin. Let's go underneath the earlobes, draw the top of the shoulders going out and then down. And now we want to round out the side of the shoulders, starting back on the left, going out, and then bending that in. Let's go underneath the chest and draw the bicep. We're going to come down, round out the bicep, and then bend that out towards the side. Let's go underneath the shoulder on the outside, bend this around, and then in. Let's go underneath the bicep and draw the forearm, coming down, out. I'm just going to bend that down towards the wrist, and we'll do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we curve this down and then up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to come all the way around and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now let's go back to the outside of the arm, curve the forearm going out, down, and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now we want to give our character a very wide back. Let's start from the bicep, bend this down, and then in towards the waist. Line this up on the right, coming down, and then in. From here we're going to step down, bend this up, and then out towards the side. Let's move to the center and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's connect the hips with the curve, coming down from the left and then back up. Now from the center, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl it back up towards the inside of the legs. Now let's go back to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to bend this out, come down, and then in on top of the feet. Along the top, let's add a curve, going down and then up across the bottom of the shorts. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom of the foot, we'll step up, add another curve for the socks. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Gigachad. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.